Naalala ko lang kasi si Senator Joel, consistent yan doon sa flooding at ayaw niya ng flood control. Nanghingi ba si Senator Joel? Hindi sa inaano ko, no? Pero nire-reiterate lang natin yung inyo pong sinabi.
Hindi po, Your Honor. Gaya po na sinabi ko. Alam ko po kasi galit na galit po si Senator sa flood control po.
Yun nga kasi.
Alam nyo, naaalala ko, 2 years ago, si Senator Joel Villanueva, who hails from Bulacan, already talked about this in the Senate. No, he already called it out as early as I think 2023. No, and you know, I would like to personally thank Senator Joel. No, because as early as 2023, he was already calling this out. No, I know he's being accused of a lot of things, but the fact is, in 2023, when this was not yet a thing or hat, Senator Joel was already calling this out. No?
Sabihin nyo involved si Senator Villanueva sa flood control. Right here, right now, mag-resign ako sa pagkasenador. Kung sabihin mo na humingi siya sa inyo na flood control, dahil ilang taon ko nang naririnig yan na sinasabi niya na ayaw niya na flood control, galit na galit siya.
Only God knows the totality of accusations against Brother Joel. But what do I know? I know na si Brother Joel, 2016 pa lang, 2017, when I left the Senate to go to the DFA, speech na ng speech to tungkol sa flood control eh.
Sabihin mo na, humingi siya sa inyo na flood control. Ilang taon ko nang naririnig yan na sinasabi niya na ayaw niya sa flood control. Sabihin mo na, humingi siya sa inyo na flood control. Dahil ilang taon ko nang naririnig yan na sinasabi niya na ayaw niya na flood control.